Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we're going to show you how to turn 50K into 200K plus. We've got going on, the reason I say 50K, I got some heavy losses here so far. I've initiated the SPY positions yesterday. I'm down about half on these. And also, just this morning, I've added 270 contracts of SPY puts that expired today. So we got about 20K loss. So if you add this number, 29K, plus this loss right here, you're going to be at 50K. So I started at 50K, just didn't have a chance to record the trades. But here's the overview so you know exactly where we started. And by the end of the day, today, January 19th, right now it's about 22 minutes after the market opened. I think there's a great probability of getting a move to and a sharp fall off by the end of the day. So we're going to stay with these trades. As you can see, the trade is clearly going against us, minus 20K loss. So the market is right here, 45.97, 45.98. A second ago, we're just at 46.01. So these are the market conditions. I think what's going to happen next is probably go sideways for just a little bit longer, another 30 minutes or so, 21 minutes roughly. And then we're going to see a sharp fallout hitting this level right here, 45.35. And therefore, we got various strikes prices here, ranging from 456. So when that drop would happen to that level, 45.35 would be quite a bit in the money on this trade right here. Be collecting about a 3x, 4x. This ones would be almost in the money, so they could easily triple, quadruple as well. It just depends how quick this move to reversal is going to take place. And so this is where you got to be patient, right? You can't be scared saying, hey, I'm losing 20K, let me get out. And normally it'll coincide with the worst possible time to get out. Just got to trust the moves, understand the moves, guys, be able to read the market sequences to your advantage. And even though you may miss time some of the entries, if you stick to the move, more often than not, this is going to be your ticket to take your account to the moon. So let's roll. We'll review this trade shortly. Hey guys, 10:29 a.m. Welcome back. The account is at 49, actually 50K. So officially what we've done by understanding the move in the last half an hour is instead of getting out with a 20K loss, we're able to wipe out all the losses. And as you can see for the day now, we actually have a profit of 1,700 bucks. The last batch of contracts that I purchased this morning, I did it right at the top, so those are actually making 13,000, and still carrying some losses from yesterday's entry in the amount of 6,000 here and the amount of 2,700 here. But overall, we're making now 5 grand, and as you can see, the account is at 54K. So understanding the move is going to help you not to panic. While normally you'd be watching the market going higher, and if you're shorting it, you jump out, as I said earlier, exactly at the wrong moment. So understand this. If you will get scared while you're trading, you will lose. It's absolutely 100% sure way to lose money in trading options or trading stocks or trading anything is when it looks like things are going against your position. Everything inside of you is going to scream to jump out. So you have to dig a little bit deeper and understand first how to react to your emotions. And in order to do that, you have to understand not just where the market is going the moment you're looking at your screen, but you have to understand where is the market moving next. And so understanding the market moves. Move to. I was sending out on the alerts earlier, trying to get everybody in on this trade right here. Move to, move to, move to, guys. And so easy trade, guys. If you're not signed up, at least for the alerts, click the link below. Make sure you sign up because you'll save yourself a lot of money, and you'll put yourself in a much better position to make money as a day trader if you're trading with a group of individuals who has done it time and time and time again. At this point, guys, we have officially made more millionaire traders in options than any other YouTube channel on the entire planet. And if you have strong aspirations to $1 million trading this year, $1 million plus, and you have an account size of at least 30, 50K, you can get started and we can get going, guys. Click the link below, sign up to trade with a coach. But listen, the most important part of this trading illustration today is the fact that fear will kill your trading account. Understanding the move is going to help you make money. That's how critical this difference is. Me being down $20,000 on the position, and now I'm actually making 5-6K for the day, opposed to cutting that loss, guys. It all derives from the understanding of what move is actually going to happen throughout the day, which oftentimes can be predicted as a result of you following the sequence of the moves daily for the last 3 to 5 days in the market. So with that said, you didn't see me panic when I was down 20K. As a matter of fact, when I was down 20K, I absolutely knew for a fact that I was going to turn this trade into a 200K trade. So we're on the way there, guys. The 456 SPY puts I was buying earlier, now they are getting close to being the money. So we're at 456.18. It's got long way to go. Not without bounces, guys. So, but this is a good characteristic. If we drop another 20 points, we're basically guaranteed for the next couple of days to be highly negative days. And that would put us in a situation where the market will break absolutely this 4,500 level, which seemed to be impossible just a few days ago. We were not far off the 4,750, 4,800 mark on S&P. So this could be huge because we could be tracking from here for a 500-point move lower if we break this 4,500 level here in the next 24 hours. So keep you posted in the trade, guys. Let's roll. The count is at 55K. Going to 200K on this trade. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? It is 3:44 p.m. January 19th, and we're at 58K. Not a whole lot of going on today. Perfect move to formation, but things just a couple of bounces really decayed the options quite a bit. So instead of sitting on 100K plus, we're still fighting the 60 level. But expecting another 11 to 13 point drop to about a level of 45.32, 45.35 in the next 30 minutes. Yes, I said 30 minutes. SPY options, they trade till 4:15. So we got 15 minutes till market close, and extra 15 minutes to close out SPY contracts. Now, with that said, I've reshuffled some of the strikes a little bit throughout the day. I'll show you the positions now. So overall for the day, we're up 21K. Remember, we started with a loss of 20 at the market open. So basically, we've got 150 contracts here in this strike 456. Got 100 contracts in the 455s. Got a sizable amount of contracts here in the 453s. I've got 457 contracts. And so that potential move lower could get the account, potential 13 points move lower could get the account about 100K. So we're ready to close out right about when we get there. That could be happening lightning fast here. So 45, 44. So we got about 10, 14 points worth of room to retouch 3 a.m. pre-market lows, and got enough time to make that happen. So I got 14 minutes remaining in the trading session. That should be enough for a 14 point move lower here. Stay tuned, guys. Let's see, can we hit 100K by the end of the day? Take it to 200, 300K tomorrow. You're about to find out. Let's roll. All right, guys, so the account now, 351, January 19th, we're at 96K, and I'm going to start selling some of these 453s. I'm going to go ahead and sell about 157 of them at market right now. Start taking some of them here. Got 450 of them, so selling a little bit ain't going to make a huge difference. Okay, so down 50 cents, 49 cents, that's fine. Let's roll. Once it goes 452.5 roughly, I'm going to hit this other sell order and just do it at market. Sell another 100. Okay, we'll just sell another 100 on the move here right now. Okay, sold at 62 cents.
Market on close in balance, now $950 million on the sell side.
Okay, let's go ahead and sell some more right here. Okay, so as you can see for the day, we're up 60K on SPY. Early in the day, we're down 20K on SPY. Alright, so let's go ahead and sell some more of these right here. Sell 100 more. Looks like today Ameritrade is selling some of my other contracts. Oh no, actually I sold 100. I had a limit order set for the 450, some 455 strikes. Sold them at 4.4. Okay, so 100 more here. 77 cents on these. Look at this right here. This is how it actually looks on the chart. So the level we basically set for today, we just hit it, 45.30. That's the target we're waiting for. We just hit the target. Now we may get sort of a sharp move lower because even Apple is selling off at this point. So we could see just like a sharp 20-point move lower.
S&P futures now dropping to the lows, 45.2750.
Yeah, they are fucking dropping now. Where the fuck were you before? In
back.
The morning. Why weren't you talking about that then? Alright, so 45.26, we could easily get another 20-point move here. So yeah, but what I want to do is I want to roll this 50K into Monday's SPY puts. Okay guys, we got 40 seconds till all of these contracts for today expired. As you can see, I cleared all of them out. Bought 300 contracts that expire on Monday. Yeah guys, so to summarize today, we've made $73,692 on SPY. Some contracts did expire, like this one that was out of the money, 48 contracts, so they were nothing. Lost actually $827 on that. As you can see, based off different strikes, some losers are $700, $5,500. Some winners are $14,990, $44,917, $16,600, $3,600. So as you can see, the winners are outweighing the losers. That's how we got the account from 50K to 146K officially for the day, January 19th. Now the key is, guys, I'll be honest with you, this market almost made me fall asleep today. Like I dozed off almost like a few times, but don't let this market fool you. There's about some major moves that are about to take place in the market, and if you don't want to miss out on some wild trades, I mean, this shit is boring. I'm actually so sorry for making this boring ass video for you guys, but this market is just, I mean, look how fucking slow it is. It's as slow as my charts are loading on this at this coffee shop. So the bottom line, guys, is don't miss out on the next killer opportunities here in the next few days. The market's going to be wild. Look, DXY could shoot up above 100. I've got VIX that's being artificially contained within the range of 18 to 24, and it's about to bust out, possibly all the way to 50. So get ready. We've got some interesting stuff cooking with 13 market moves, guys. I'd love for you to partake in these winnings with us, and so let's roll. Sign up at 13marketmoves.com. Make sure you invest in your education as a trader. Make sure you know the moves. Make sure you know the sequences. It's going to make your job as a trader a lot easier. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video soon. Fuck it. Make your 2022 your best trading year ever, but you got to take action now, guys, because this market is about to get fucking wild. Let's go. Alright guys, January 20th, 9:37 a.m. The account is down about 16K for the day. Got two positions. I've added some SPY puts. Let me show you the positions. So SPY puts, the 300 contracts I opened last night. They're losing 26K. I've added 230 contracts for the day's expiration. Those are making $2,800, $3 grand. And I've shorted Task right at the open. On Task, making 12 grand, so got 100 puts in the money. Average cost 105. They're currently going for 232, and I've got a limit order set to close these out here shortly. If it drops another $1 here, I'll be out at about 3.4. So just gonna be patient here with this trade. The market is trying to bounce, but looking really weak. So we're heading potentially for another 2 move today. Possible retest of 4,500 by the end of the day. Alright, so another $1 lower here, and we should be good to go in this trade. All right, so I've got a limit order at 3.4. I think it's going to hit it now shortly. Actually, I'm next in line. The bid is 255 done. Sold 2, 8, 10. Sold the rest. Okay, not a bad trade considering it took 9 minutes, guys. It's a 9-minute trade for a total profit of 23,480 bucks on this sticker right here that you probably never heard of. TASK. Now, that was the first alert I sent out this morning on January 20th to our trading group. So, if you were part of it, you would have nailed this trade right here, guys. Now, let's look for the next one. Let's go. Big day today. Alright, guys, finally caught a decent trade on AFRM, so the account is basically breaking even from yesterday. 63.79 on AFRM. I got in at about 66.5. I was buying these puts at 60 strike for 20 cents. Now they're going for $1 or $2. And 200 I bought at 118 in the 65 strike, and they're now going for 315. Actually, I've got a limit order set here to sell them at 3.4. Hold on, I gotta cancel. Ah, damn it! I didn't cancel it on time. Shit. All right. Anyway, I made 65K. Still holding these 200 contracts right here, but it looks like I did get out too early on that one. All right, guys. Millisecond, 1 millisecond. So this is why sometimes I don't record these, because 1, 2, 10 seconds makes a huge difference on the outcome on this trade.
Peloton is open again. Shares dropping more now. 26.
All right, so we're officially up about 40K for the day, mainly because of this trade right here. All right, I've got a limit order set here at 2.1, so if we can nail that, let's just get that.
Peloton halted again. 26.58 after resuming halted.
I think I'm going to be able to get this.
Soon after
2.1. It would be like a 10x trade. I was buying these for 20 cents.
The company is halting production of
no, it's running backwards, so let's get out.
Demand.
Let's get out. Sell it, market, fuck it, let's go. All right, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Not the best feel, but I can't complain on a 8x trade within 5 minutes. Alright, guys, this is a bit of a revenge trade on SPY.
Peloton shares open again, probably technological in November.
Let's
Continuing
go.
to fall
Let's
here
go.
now,
SPY,
25.13 the low. That's PTON, Peloton. $25.13 the low now on
okay, got
Peloton.
300 SPY puts, 456 at 213.
$25.22.
Return back to the base on the move 11 right here, guys. This is a solid move 11. We should see a 45.50. All right, guys. 3:14 p.m. I accidentally just sold some of my Rivian puts. I didn't mean to do it, but see 8,900 bucks right here. On Rivian, I got 602 contracts. So I sold. I had a limit order that I entirely forgot about, and they just hit 98 cents, and that's when the order got filled. So I may reposition here. I may actually just take a different trade. I think SPY will break this 3,500, 4,500 level, and I may just add to some of these here. I mean, it's fixing to just fall apart entirely. I mean, the whole fucking thing, as we said in the alerts yesterday. All right, so we're going to do something stupid. We're just going to buy these right here, 21 cents. Okay, we're going to buy like... Okay, guys, the account is still struggling around 330K. I've added Amazon position way out of money. There are only certain conditions when you should be doing this kind of sort of crazy stuff. Look what I've done. I've bought 150 contracts of Amazon, 2,900 puts, in the expectation of Amazon actually hitting 28.50 tomorrow. That is a 200-point drop.
Alpha Uniform Tango Oscar AUTO.
I've gotten into the trade when Amazon was about 20 points higher. Therefore, I'm making about 8,600 bucks on the trade. But it's not the matter of where and how much making right now. The question is the move going to be confirmed by tomorrow? Because if it is, this trade by itself could be making 100 grand. So we've got a real shot at breaking this level of 4,500 by tomorrow sometime, maybe after hours, as long as we don't get any silly bounces like Tesla is trying to do right here, 1,005. There's a good chance Tesla could flop all the way to $900 tomorrow, maybe 880. So huge things in the making in the market, guys. January 20th. I still got 29 minutes to go in the trade session. This is going to be history in the making. Let's roll. All right, guys, so this is where you could easily expect to bounce. The account is at 406K. This could evaporate rather fast because we can get a 10, 20-point move to the upside at any moment. Now, the other side of the equation, because the conditions are so rare here, and we're at the key level, and we're having acceleration of volume, we can also easily get another 20 to 40-point move lower. Not necessarily in the next 20 minutes, but in the next hour, or the bigger part of that move can come right after hours. So we're going to stick with these trades for just a little bit longer. As you can see, the account is fluctuating rapidly because these are people just don't know what the fuck to do. Is it going up? Is it going down? It's like, learn the 13 market move and stay cool. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to wait this out just a little bit longer. We're going to collect some of the profits for the day. We're going to leave most of the positions overnight because VIX just broke yesterday's high, 24.26. VIX could open up at 30 tomorrow. So don't panic. Trade with 13 market moves. Alright guys, this is the kind of shit you live for if you are a short seller, meaning you make money when stocks drop in the market. So this is where things get excited because oftentimes you have a setup like this. You'll get a flush, meaning like you'll get a very sharp move to the downside that could be often followed by a strong bounce, and we still could see a substantial move here, guys, in the next 14 minutes to a couple of hours, meaning after hours we could still see a wild move to the downside. So in the meantime, we're just holding on to all the positions we got. The account's been fluctuating between 414 and 350 in the last 10 minutes. Most of you, honestly, you wouldn't be able to take this shit, okay? You would cry, you would scream, you would shit in your pants, you would, I mean, but I hope that's why you're watching this video, because you want to learn how to control your emotions and make the best of what the market opportunity gives you, which is going to vary on different occasions. And one thing that can help you calculate the better timing and opportunity is the sequence of the 13 market moves. So there's a potential flush that's coming down right here, right now. What we want to do is we want to be ready in position for it. So for example, on this Amazon, okay, we don't just be watching the stuff dump. We want to set a closing order, not necessarily for everything, but let's say we'll sell 1/3 of the position. If it dumps, it could dump $50 right now, guys, in the next 15 minutes here. So we could potentially sell these for as much as 11 bucks. So I'm going to have a limit order sitting and waiting there on this Amazon trade. There it is. Oh, fuck. I did not mean to fucking do that. It just automatically sold this. Alright, I'm going to actually buy these back. I'm going to buy these back. Damn it. I'm going to have to get a better strike on these. I got 6K, 20 contracts, and of course it's fucking dropping. Okay, so that's pretty bad, but let's just buy these contracts back. I don't want to waste any time because this move could come. I fucking missed it. Look at this. 140, 172. I missed the move. No, I got him. I got him. Okay, at least I got that. They can't figure out if this is the best buying opportunity. You should be buying the dip right now, or you should just dump everything you can, because when you're going to wake up tomorrow, the market's going to make this magnificent gap lower. And I think the probability of that happening is actually much greater than somebody coming in and suicidally buying this dip right here, right now. The volume is just too strong. Look at how strong this volume. It's been accelerating ever since we started dropping it right here. Now, if you were a part of the alert group, guys, you would have gotten a message right here to short the market. I'm sorry, not right here. We actually send the message right here at 45.92. Later in the, I'll try to insert a picture somewhere here showing you. But if you're part of the early group, you guys would have gotten the message to short the hell out of the market when right here at 45.91, 45.92, literally 1 point away from the top of the day. So the account now is at 427K. This is where patience pays off, guys, and this is where things get exciting as a short seller. And the key is to stay with the move. So how far can this move go? Potentially 450, 525K in the next 11 minutes here. Now, if you're scared, close your eyes and click the link below so you can study the moves and understand when you want to do this and when you absolutely want to avoid staying with a crazy move like that. So most of you probably want to cash the fuck out right now, but look what's happening to Amazon. 30.36. Whoa, we got into it right here. Guys, I've been holding on this AFRM on the second entry, and it was just not doing a whole lot, so I've repositioned. I've gotten into these Amazon puts. At this point, they're producing a much better return. So with that said, 6-point drop. We can go back to 4,500, retrace back at that point all the way to 44.60. There is a bigger move in the making. The bulls are trying to protect this area right here. 44.91 historically is an area where the market has bounced a few months ago. So this is an area that is subject to fighting between the bulls and the bears. But honestly, the bulls are fucked.
IONQ.
The money's to be made on the bear side.
For India, Oscar, November, Quebec.
And short every bounce there is to short here. Now, Tesla's being stubborn about that 1,000 level, but don't let that fool you. It's still got plenty of room to drop from here. Key level in RIVN, 65 bucks. If it drops below that, this could be a highly, highly profitable position for us. Just to recall, basically on RIVN, we're holding quite a few contracts on this one. 602 contracts that we're buying, an average cost 54 cents, going for $1.54 now. These were buying for $1.24, and then now $3.25, $3.50. So altogether, we're up about 113K on this RIVN position. But what's more important is what is going to happen next. And we believe, depending on where the VIX is going to open up tomorrow, RIVN could actually open anywhere from $62. It could actually dip all the way down to $61, possibly even $58 area, which would make this position worth at about $7 a contract. And on 600 contracts, that position by itself right here, just in a 65 strike, could be worth as much as $420,000. So that could easily put us close to $1 million if just this one trade is going to work. I hope you're enjoying the show. Learn the 13 market moves. Can we hit $1 million by tomorrow? You're about to find out. Let's go. Guys, as you can see, SPY trade is not positive for the day. Yes, I know it's hard to believe. We're down 60K on it earlier, and now we're up 34,000 for the day. And we're actually going to sell some of these. I want to sell these out of the money puts. We didn't invest a whole lot, but it is a 4X trade, 3X trade. We'll go ahead and sell that right now.
November Foxtrot Lima X-ray NFLX.
Select some money here. Okay, so we are going to trim a couple of positions here on RIVN.
1 minute to the U.S. market close.
Okay, done. All right, guys, so what I've done is I've added some more S&P 500 puts for tomorrow and the next expiration. So have a good night. Study the moves. I'll catch you guys in the morning tomorrow, 9:30 sharp. Let's roll. Hey guys, buying coin puts this morning, 190 strike. Gonna get 200 of them. 0.3. Alright guys, so the market was trying to fight back this morning on January 21st, 9:31 a.m. I'm trying to buy some coin puts because I think the stock is actually going to break below all-time lows today.
S&P 500 down 0.4%. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 0.1% after the open. Nasdaq Composite down 0.7%.
Okay, so it's bouncing.
The World Economic Forum in Davos to be rescheduled to May 22 to 26.
105. Okay, so at least I got about 200 contracts here. Alright, so the market's basically bouncing like crazy. RIVN, that's the trade that's killing me right now. I'm gonna hold for this bounce because I think there should be a retest of at least 44.40 here. Okay guys, and we're gonna double down on Tesla. Okay, done. So now I'm carrying 480 Tesla puts. Alright, so coin is officially the best trade. I did send the alert first thing at the market open to our group members to short coin. Coin was the trade of the day, and return wise, you can see that would be the one to put more money in. So we're up 107K on these 210 contracts. Now, that's all in the last 25 minutes, guys. So 13 market moves, pays attention to study charts divergences, chart patterns, and combine them with the 13 market moves formula. Now, at this point, I mean, let's not be too gritty. I mean, we should lighten up on this position. So maybe 88 contracts at market here, as it's hitting the lows for the day. Okay, 682. I was buying them at $1, guys. I was buying them at $1.05. I just sold them for 682, and now they're going for 730. BKNG trade is not working out too well. Tesla hitting the lows for the day. So it was a timely ad when I added those 200 contracts. Amazon, we may want to double down on Amazon. Or, you know, I really like Shopify, but that one's probably down already too much. Let's check it out. Alright, so it's at 981. And Shopify could fall out another 40-50 bucks maybe today. Right, we're at a critical level in the market right now. If we break that, which we could look at Apple and tell you if we're going to break that.
Coming up, the U.S. leading index for December.
Looks like we could pause here for a minute, so we may actually want to collect some profits here. Let's go ahead and sell the rest of position here. And you're up 900%. I mean, you gotta sell some. I mean, officially hitting the lows here. $54 contracts. Let's close these out. I bought them at 30 cents. They're now at 3.80. I bought them at 30 cents. They're now $3 and some change. 30 cents I paid. 3.85. 3.66 I sold. 9x. All right, so we're out of that. There's the Amazon. Staying patient with the Amazon trade. I got in yesterday at $29.65. Now the stock is at $29.47. And this is how the Amazon position looks. All right, the account is at $1 million. 10:01. So officially, we've taken 50K into million plus in just 2 trading sessions and 30 minutes of today's trading session, guys. If you'd like to learn how to do that, 13 market moves is the answer. It will require some dedication. It will require perseverance on your end to study the moves, learn them, learn the sequences. But at the end, if you're serious about trading, there's no other trading program that will give you the knowledge how you can do this. Take action. Click the link below. Get your 13 market move scores today. Let's roll. Okay, on Amazon we got about $40 more worth of room. So what I want to do is I want to set on Amazon. I want to set a limit order, at least on half of the position. Tesla is up 451K. It's really tempting to double down on this one again.